In the treatment of solid and organic waste, shredding is a critical process. Therefore, high-performance shredding machines with robust feeding mechanisms and sturdy reversible shafts are essential. The complex range of industrial shredders meets these requirements perfectly. They offer two primary models, the Terminator and the Crambo, which we will explore individually. The Terminator, a low-speed, high-torque, single-shaft shredder, is designed to handle nearly all types of challenging waste, such as heavy construction and demolition debris, bulky items, household appliances, mattresses, tires, and municipal solid waste. Its single-shaft drum, featuring a spiral tooth pattern, adjustable countercomb, and a robust Cat Tier 4 final diesel engine, enables this versatility. With up to 600 horsepower, its hydraulic drum drive with speed-dependent control delivers maximum shredding power and can reverse instantly. This prevents blockages, simplifies material redistribution, and eases drum maintenance. Additionally, the machine allows precise adjustment of particle size through its continuously adjustable cutting gap. Compex also offers the Crambo, a dual-shaft shredder with low-speed, high-torque capabilities. Engineered for high output, it efficiently processes tough materials like wood waste, land-clearing debris, and rigid plastics. Known as the largest shredding unit in the industry, the Crambo features long, counter-rotating drums that aggressively feed material while minimizing fine particles. It also boasts low dust and noise emissions, along with reduced operating costs. Like the Terminator, it allows particle size customization, achieved through an easily adjustable screen basket that produces output sizes ranging from 2 to 24 inches. With decades of expertise, the Marti Group has excelled in versatility, employing over 6,000 specialists and generalists. This Swiss-based global contracting firm, with a century-long legacy, specializes in areas like tunneling, environmental technology, civil engineering, conveyor systems, and electrical engineering. They lead in digitalization and building information modeling, BIM, setting high standards for innovation in construction. Their success lies in a simple strategy, selecting the ideal equipment for specific tasks. In this segment, we'll showcase one of their key machines, recently used in a 3.8 kilometers tunneling project in Switzerland. Farm challenges extend beyond planting to the harvest season, particularly in large-scale fields where vast quantities of crops are collected. Farmers often rely on machinery to boost harvesting efficiency. Strauss excels in this area with its semi-automated harvester designed for asparagus farming. This user-friendly machine allows operators to simply place asparagus roots on its belt, which handles washing, cutting, and pre-sorting on the spot, significantly enhancing productivity. For loading and unloading containers below ground without additional equipment, the Lver LRS 645 Restacker stands out as one of the market's priciest machines. It features an arched telescopic boom and can stack 6 containers in the first row. The arched boom design simplifies handling in rear rows. Powered by a 270 kilowatts engine, it can stack up to 6 containers at once with a 45-ton lifting capacity. Measuring 12.50 m long, 4.50 m wide, and 5.82 m high when loaded, it reaches speeds of up to 20 km per hour or even 25 km per hour when unloaded. Gardening, despite its joys, can lead to health issues like fatigue, muscle soreness, or back pain. To mitigate these, seeking assistance is advisable. Kai Beck offers professional landscaping services, employing skilled gardeners with the expertise and physical ability to deliver excellent results at budget-friendly rates. In this clip, You'll see them removing excess soil and grass from a small row by breaking up the grass and collecting the debris. They also provide municipal services tailored to client needs. Joule is a trusted name in the wind industry, known for vehicles with easy maintenance and excellent handling. Their transport solutions are versatile, cost-effective, and forward-thinking. They can transport sensitive, oversized rotor blades using robust, telescopically extendable semi-trailers. Mounted on platform trailers, blades can be angled up to 70 degrees, pivoted, or rotated around their axis. Quick-release plates enable secure handling and navigation around obstacles. Joule also transports nacelles using automated guided vehicles, AGVs, often used as conveyor belts in heavy manufacturing. Wind tower segments, weighing up to 120 tons and with a 5.5 m internal diameter, are moved safely using portal decks or show as adjustable adapters, equipped with safety sensors for secure operations. Joule also supports offshore construction on land. While most lifters are lightweight yet capable of heavy lifting, the Bosca's shiplift operates differently. Weighing approximately 91,000 tons, its substantial mass aids ships in navigating shallow waters, facilitating travel through canals and similar waterways. Next, the D-Lab DF703 Phoenix, a three-wheel feller buncher for forestry and land clearing, is powered by a fuel-efficient 130 horsepower Cummins QSB 4.5 Tier 4 engine. It features zero-turn maneuverability, multi-stem felling, and a soft footprint to minimize damage to remaining trees. Enhanced controls, standard LED lighting, an optional backup camera, and a 15% larger fuel tank enable over 8 hours of continuous operation in tough conditions, making it ideal for plantation thinning or small tract harvesting. Its hydraulic system supports hot climates and various attachments, such as processing heads, directional felling heads, shear heads, or mulching attachments. Large, tinted, scratch-resistant windows provide excellent visibility, and user-friendly controls ensure responsive operation. The Difco Limited tractor-mounted sawed peat cutter produces 9 to 11 tons of sawed peat per hour. It offers various blade lengths for different peat depths, shorter blades for shallow peat and longer ones for high-quality black peat. To prevent damage, it includes a hydraulic pressure relief valve and chain protection on the cutting boom. Finally, the MKey 3000 pumpkin seed harvester prioritizes functionality, design, and efficiency. Its hydraulically driven system, with a large screening drum, handles high capacities. All movements are independently controlled, with power consumption between 80 and 110 horsepower and a weight of about 7,500 kilograms. It features low fuel and hydraulic oil consumption, an automatic stone protector on the crushing drum, and automated level control for economical operation. The Rodney H8D harvester simplifies harvesting with its two-part chassis and articulated joint, ensuring precise tracking. Its Rotten Traction Control (RTC) offers 3 speed settings, an anti-spin function, and excellent ground contact for full traction. Designed for stand-operated thinning, it performs well on strip roads and can operate 6 to 7 meters from trees. Forestry professionals favor the Barco 240 dangle for its reliability and power. Equipped with a 220 horsepower Cummins Q7 Tier 3 diesel engine and an IQ electro-hydraulic control system, it excels in harvesting and control tasks. Its drawbar pole, with a 1.3:1 ratio, handles steep hills and rough terrain, delivering a total torque of 50-71-87 FTLB via dual swing drives. For logging, the TigerCat 724G stands out with its balanced weight distribution, ideal for challenging terrains. Its large diameter wood handling, efficient cooling system, and hydraulic capabilities boost productivity. The John Deere 959M track feller buncher, with 246 kilowatts of power, offers a stable, long, and wide undercarriage. Maintenance is straightforward with accessible components, and the optional Rapid Cycle System (RCS) allows operators to adjust settings for specific conditions, increasing cutting efficiency by 30%. For tough terrains, the TigerCat Mulcher 480B is a durable choice. Its robust construction ensures longevity, while its 480 horsepower Tier 4 engine delivers fast load response, high power density, and low operating costs without compromising fuel efficiency. The Vermeer HG6800TX, a 950 horsepower horizontal grinder, is perfect for tree and stump removal or processing large materials. Its low side walls and smart grind system, which adjusts grinding speed based on engine RPM, ensure optimal performance. The Series 3 hard duplex drum enhances durability, and the optional damage defense system prevents metal contamination by reversing the feed system when contaminants are detected. For heavy-duty harvesting, the Pony Bear remains a top expert in the field. Let me know if you need further refinements or additional assistance. This machine has broken a lot of records in the market, such as having the most powerful engine and even having the sturdiest crane. It also has state-of-the-art ergonomics coupled with a large harvester head, which results in an incredible production in dense forests. In addition, the machine's crane can rotate up to 250 degrees and tilt up to 80 degrees, which helps with its performance. Its AG wheels also help it not only reach high speeds but also maintain balance and stability even on slopes. Machine lifespan is also protected through its synchro winch feature that protects it from rusting or erosion, reduces fuel consumption, and lessens the stress on drive transmission components. Speaking of 8 wheels, the Ecolog 668 also has this but with added features. The same reason was present while manufacturers planned this machine. They wanted to provide balance even when it's working on steep and rugged terrains. It also has other fun features like a tiltable operator cab, a 285 horsepower and a maximum torque of 1237 Nm engine, and even its solid base that provides superb mobility. And the world's most productive harvester is the Logset 12H GTE Hybrid. This all-terrain vehicle features new hybrid technology, twin-circuit hydraulics, a powerful crane, a strong transmission, and much more. To put it more simply, stability, dependability, and comfort in one large package. Within a microsecond, the hybrid system may produce up to 510 horsepower and 2,000 Nm of torque. The heavy-duty horsepower ensures that the machine can handle even the most difficult chores. It also guarantees improved performance and exceptionally reduced operating expenses. The hybrid technology eliminates the need for the engine's power peaks. The Logset Hybrid Harvester meets all modern environmental regulations while not sacrificing profitability or power. That's the end of today's list. Let us know in the comments section below what you think about it. We also love to know any of your questions and suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. Till next time, thank you for watching.